The Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, or ALMA, is a single telescope made up of 66 individual antennas that work together in unison. By harnessing these extremely precise dish antennas, ALMA is able to study the birth of stars and planets, helping us better understand the life cycle of solar systems, including our own. Each antenna is able to quickly switch from point to point on the sky. This ability is essential to allow astronomers to calibrate the telescope and measure atmospheric moisture, ensuring ALMA is able to perform exquisitely.